Hi, everybody, to our Oceanview stateroom from our late December 2024 cruise aboard the Margaritaville at Sea Paradise. This particular cabin is on deck 4 with a room number of 4022, located at the front of the ship on the starboard side. One interesting thing we noticed during booking is that you can only pick rooms based on type, such as interior, ocean view, or suites. So you cannot select a specific cabin number or location of your room on the ship. Here we are. Now come on inside and take a look. One thing about these cabin doors is that they don't close by themselves. Look, they just stay open. So even if you give it a nudge, still doesn't close. Here's a thermostat and retro style mechanical buttons for lights. This cabin actually feels more roomy than a typical ocean view stateroom, especially when the fold-down Murphy bed is not deployed. That nook below the porthole can serve as a little table or sitting area as well. We use these standard carry-on luggages and they go right underneath, no problem. We like this tropical theme wallpaper map of the Caribbean. The bed was nice and comfortable, no complaints here. There's a power outlet and USB-A plug at the corner of the nook here. Here's the view outside the Oceanview porthole window while the ship was still at Port of Palm Beach. We were impressed with how clean the window was versus Oceanview cabins from other cruise lines. Let's look at the pull-down bed. Margaritaville at Sea only does a once daily room cleaning, so you need to let your room steward know whether you want your cabin cleaned in the afternoon or the evening. We pick afternoon, so that's probably why we have to lower the Murphy bed ourselves at night. This is how it looks after we set it up. Our son slept here and he thought this Murphy bed was fine, but not the most comfortable. There's a small desk here with a large mirror above. Right here is a 220-volt European power outlet, but the hair dryer they provide plugs right in. USB-C and USB-A plugs are here as well. Thankfully, there is a 110-volt outlet, but it's located down on the right side of the desk here. Here's the flat screen TV at the corner, and here are the channels that are available. Once you arrive at your muster station, a roll call will be taken so that every guest is accounted for. You will be met by a trained crew. If instructed, here is how to quite a few channels. Now let's look at the storage closet at the front. This is not a cabinet. Drawers here, and this is their laundry service pricing list. The drawers are not slow close, but it's not a big deal. Nice that they provide robes for you to use. You can buy these for $80 as a souvenir if you like at their shop on the ship. The closet is pretty roomy. Lots of drawers and cabinet spaces as well, though some are taken up by life jackets. There is also no in-room safe by default, but you can ask the room steward to provide one. Hair dryer here uses the 220-volt plug you saw earlier, and there's additional storage via these drawers. There is no refrigerator, but perhaps like the in-room safe, you can ask for one. We didn't try though. 6-pack for $24. Now let's check out the bathroom, which is to the left of the door when you enter. This is not that common on a cruise ship. A sliding door for the bathroom. Circular shower here with curtains. Nice that Margaritaville provides shower gel, shampoo, and conditioner all separately. Some cruise lines nowadays just have shower gel and shampoo combo with no conditioner provided. Water pressure from the shower head is nice and strong. Well, it looks pretty nice and clean. Trash can is located under the sink here. No, there's plenty. Look on the left side. The sink faucet has good water pressure. Here are the rinsing cups, hand soap, and towels. One con about this bathroom is that there are no wall shelves around the sink. On one side is a painting, and nothing on the other side either. Also, the edge of the bathroom is pretty steep, so definitely watch your step here. One con is that there doesn't seem to be enough chairs. There's only one chair. Yeah, there's more space.
More space.
Yeah, but there's one chair and that's it. This ledge here has sort of a seating area. Now check out some of the views from the porthole from our 3-night cruise. And then later let us know what you think about this stateroom with a comment. We thought it was better than expected, and even nicer than some of the Oceanview cabins from newer ships we've been on. There were a few cons as we mentioned, plus noise isolation wasn't the best as you can hear clearly what people in the hallway are saying. But overall, we would certainly recommend this stateroom. If you found this tour helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. And remember to check out our other Margaritaville at Sea content via the playlist in the description below. Thank you very much, happy cruising, and we'll see you soon in another video.